Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Max 270 in the light bone and hot punch colorway. This is kind of a play on the infrared colorway, obviously. The 270s have been doing a great job at introducing some, revisiting some classic colorways of Air Maxes. We've seen almost like we've done a review already of the Gold Harvest and Hot Punch colorway, which kind of takes on the Air Max 90, Air Max Plus, colorway, that with the whole gradient sunset colorway. This here obviously takes cues from the infrared Air Max 90, which is another classic Air Max. So it kind of brings back some history as well as introducing a new sneaker. And I really like the mesh on this light bone upper. Really stands out, the engineered mesh on the upper, which is great. And then obviously your hot punch hit on the airbag on the heel. Let's start by checking out the outsole of the shoe. This is a NSW sneaker, so it's not meant for performance, although you can do some sort of a jogging type of sneaker with it, but it was not built in the running category. This is an NSW sneaker, so you got a classic Phylon midsole along with your newly introduced 270 bag on the heel. Obviously you got that hot punch / infrared colorway on the outsole right there with a little bit of black. The midsole is very simplistic on the front of the shoe with a white Phylon, and then you got your 270 bag, which is the largest volume bag yet, the thickest bag. Also 270 details on the heel right there with a little pull tab in the light bone and white. And then obviously you got a combination of fused and engineered mesh on the upper part of the shoe, which really stands out on this light bone colorway, in my opinion. As you can see, you got the Air 270 on the heel right there, branding, mini swoosh on the side. I like the double swoosh branding on there, which is cool to see as well on Nike's, kind of stepping out of their boundaries. You got a little bit of a circular lace there with the tongue that's kind of attached to the side panel of the shoe. That's pretty much it for the 270. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe so far. I approve. I really love this sneaker, although I still love the Air Force 270 a little bit more. This is a really cool shoe, especially on feet, which we're gonna go check out right now. Alright guys, so this is what the light bone and hot punch colorway of the 270s look like on feet. I definitely think this is one of my favorite colorways. Aside from the Golden Harvest and Hot Punch, I think they're very, very close. But you know, I have a really soft spot with the infrared 90, and this is kind of like the infrared 90, Air Max 90 colorway. So yeah, I really like this 270. They feel really nice on feet. They fit true to size, fit like a sock. I definitely recommend that you guys try them on and feel them for yourself. So this is what the Hot Punch 270 looks like on feet with light bone. What do you guys think about this colorway? Do you guys prefer the predominantly black one with a little hit on the heel, or do you prefer the classic Air Max inspired colorways? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get updated whenever we have a new review video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next review. Peace.